Hi one, hope you're doing well from wherever you're watching this channel, depending on your time zone. Now, on the 24th of October, the Communication Authority of Kenya had published a notice enhancing tax compliance of mobile device in Kenya. That was the government notice. So it means that any person who is coming from this country would have to, give their phone to the authority so that they can have the IME number code. Again, the mobile dealers, whether you are importing or locally assembling the phone, you will have to give that IME code to the government. For them, it is all about tax compliance. And I had seen in what they were proposing is that if you have any mobile phone worth $2,000, unakuja hii Kenya na uko na simu, tukiziweka pamoja labda zinafika $2,000, you will pay tax for that. That is the move that they were looking for also. And with this move, the Katiba Institute went on to file a petition challenging the move by the Communication Authority that direct all visitors arriving in the country and all phone dealers to submit IME code for imported and locally manufactured or assembled phone. They went to the court to challenge this. And in their challenge, this is what they are saying. Without the proper safeguard, it appears that the government is usurping authorities it does not have in the first place to establish a mass surveillance system. Their argument is that the government want to know where you are once you are in this country, because once they have this information, they can trace you. And if the government want to get the information from your mobile, there is a procedure. They will have to go and apply. Then they will be approved. Then from there, they can get the information. Lazima waseme, nataka information ya fulani na fulani because we suspect 1, 2, 3. Then they will be given a go-ahead to do so. But you see, without that, they want to monitor your information without this. They're going to say, we contend that this regulation stroke notice are problematic. One problematic aspect is the new requirement that individuals declare their mobile phone IME number upon the registration of phone. IME number constitute personal data. That is personal data. So they kind of want to access that information. So they are claiming that the move would unlawfully allow the mobile phone provider to expose an individual's location and allow the government to trace one's communication history. That's the argument. Now, with this move, Justice Chacha Mwita issued a conservatory order suspending the notice issued by the Communication Authority. Amesema hapana, simamia hapo. This is what he's saying. A conservatory is hereby issued suspending implementation of the notice issued by the Communication Authority of Kenya on 24th October 2024 titled Public Notice on Enhancing Tax Compliance of Mobile Device in Kenya. Take notice that any disobedience or non-observance of the order of the court served herewith will result in penal consequences to you and any other person disobeying and not observing the same. That is Chacha Mwita. Now, communicating back in the conservatory order that he has issued. So this order should be served to the Communication Authority of Kenya. They have to comply with the order. That is the argument. Now, as we continue with the final discussion, just a quick request. For those who are watching and you've not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. To our returning subscribers, I must say thank you so much. And again, to all our viewers, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much, and back to this discussion. Now, you look in this, you see two things that the government was pushing for. Number one, taxes. They want to use every means possible to collect as much as they can. Tukifika hapo, si ati wanafinya tu the mobile operators sawa jamaa wa kuuza simu na manufacturers. It also goes down to the consumer of this product. Yule ananunua mimi na wewe. The worst thing was that if anyone was to come to this country, they were supposed to declare their mobile phone just when you arrive in this country on the F88 passenger declaration form before proceeding with their activity in this country. Kuja tu unaachilia pale. Imagine they can trace you. They can listen to your communication. And that is what has pushed the Katiba Institute to go to the court to challenge this move. So you would think it's all about taxes, but they are also having another thing they're looking for. Illegally. There is a way you can do that if you suspect anyone. Go and get an order and you can proceed to check on communication of individuals. But without doing so, they are using a shortcut here. And I saw a decision that they made later after questions were raised about the tourism, that now, you will make tourists to fear coming to this country because of the kind of regulations you are putting forward that seems to be unlawful, that you want someone to declare their devices on F88 pass declaration form, really to monitor so many things, including even taxing them. Then the government now changed the move and said that, okay, the focus is going to be on not tourists, but that means other people. It means Kenyans who are coming to this country. So no, I'm not tourists, but they're not talking about Kenyans who are working outside when they visit back their country. It means you must declare your mobile device. Sasa wametoa tourist, wamebakisha wa Kenya. I think to me that was unfair. It was unfair. Because how do you treat some Kenyans and then the tourists? It means they will enjoy, wenyeji they cannot enjoy this privilege, but wageni tu ndio wataenjoy. Why? These people work outside, they remit money here. In fact, remittance ya Kenyans in diaspora ndio imesaidia to strengthen even the shilling against the dollar. Ndio kweli. So you check on some of the regulations that Kenya Kwanza is coming up with. They are unfriendly and most of them are unlawful. I don't know where is the Attorney General in this country to advise these people accordingly before they come out and publish some regulations. So, if there was something that this regime was looking for, Justice Chacha is saying a big no, stop it, follow the law, and don't come up with your regulations that are outside the law. We are not going to operate outside the law. There was not even the issue of public participation, because it is going to touch on people. When you are doing anything that is going to touch on people directly, then you have to involve them. Were Kenyans involved in this? The answer is no. There was no public participation. But now they want to trace your phone every time. Na shida yenye inakuwa kubwa ni kwamba when your phone get lost, unataka usaidizi kutoka kwa serikali to trace your phone, it becomes a problem even when you have the information. But now when they want to trace you, it's just a blink of an eye. Wamekupata. So look on how these things do operate. It never operates in favor of the common man. So the court is telling Ruto, no, stop this drama. It's not going to work that way. Na ukiona yale maneno yenye Chacha Mwita ametumia, si maneno mepesi. Si maneno mepesi. He's also warning them seriously. So that is the situation. I don't know your views, but let us meet in the comment section to continue with this discussion. Thank you so much for watching this video to this far. And if you reach this far, it is a honorable thing just for you to subscribe. Thank you so much and see you in our next video.